Sailing on board. The POLARSTERN clears the path into the ice for research. It can reach and sail any region of the world's oceans. Since its commissioning in 1982, it has traveled more than 3 million kilometers for research. The POLARSTERN is the workhorse of German polar research and one of the most high-performance research vessels of its class in international comparison. This is the heart of the vessel, the machine room. Here is where the 4 main engines roar. With a total power output of 20,000 HP, the engines power the 2 propellers of the POLARSTERN. It is loud, warm, and there is no daylight here. Traditionally, machines on ships are often given proper names. On the POLARSTERN, the main engines are named Frida, Dolly, Bodil, and Maria. All 4 diesel engines are only used simultaneously in extreme situations, for example to break the ice by ramming. This is when the POLARSTERN needs real power to break through meter-thick plates of ice. The wearing of protective suits and hearing protection is mandatory in the machine room. Other machines are also kept running around the clock in the machine room. The refuse incinerator, the desalination plant and the wastewater purification system make it possible for the POLARSTERN to function as an autarkic system that leaves almost no pollutants in the polar regions and the oceans of the world. Right next to the machine room with the engines is the machine control center. The machines and engines are monitored from here, but also the entire POLARSTERN. On one of the screens, for example, you can see the transmission from a camera showing the stern of the POLARSTERN with the stern boom. From the heart of the vessel to its nerve center, we are now standing on the bridge, which extends over the entire breadth of the vessel. The POLARSTERN is steered from here, and this is where all the strings come together. Like the machine room or the machine control center, the bridge is staffed around the clock.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Chief, are we on schedule?
Yeah, it's going well. We are making good progress.
The weather is good and the sea is quiet now, but that is not generally the case. When the POLARSTERN is really in the ice, there's also permanent danger of icebergs and large ice flows. Remote-controlled ice floodlights improve visibility when it's dark or foggy. However, if an emergency should nonetheless occur, the vessel can be sealed off into 6 separate areas with a hatch closure system, so that water coming in cannot spread throughout the vessel. Many technical devices, such as radar systems, including ice radar, GPS, an electronic marine map and computers, assist the captain and his crew in navigating the vessel under all weather conditions. The workhorse of polar research enables scientists to safely reach regions that would otherwise be inaccessible. Sailing on board the POLARSTERN means clearing the path for research, even in the most inhospitable regions of the Earth. This requires high-performance machines, a constantly manned control center, and a specialized, experienced crew.